everyone. Today we are going to solve Skillrack daily challenge. Okay, top left to bottom right diagonals. The program must accept an integer matrix of size r cross c as the input. The program must print the integers in the top left to bottom right diagonals on the top right corner of the matrix. Okay, we have to come to like from top left to bottom right, like 5, 5, then 4, 3, then 9, 5, 5, then 9, 7, then 7 from top left to bottom right. Same as everything output is printed here. Okay, let's see what happens and how to solve, what are the errors we get during this problem. First, row and column map of into comma input dot split. Okay, then we're going to get a matrix L equal to single list comprehension method int of I or I in range O or in input dot split. Okay, for J in range R. Okay, by this way we got the input matrix. Then what we are going to do, we are going to create an answer list for I in range R plus C. I will just explain it down here. For I in range R, for J in range C, and so okay, this is where I just tell you something. First I'll save here. What are we going to do here? Comment it out. Okay, initially the input is given 3 3. What I have taken an empty list of R plus C. Okay, minus 1. Okay, R plus C, which is like 3 plus 3 minus 1, which is nothing but 5, right? R plus 3 minus 1 is 5. So I'm going to create 5 empty list. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in the answer it is going to be 5 list. So initially this place, which is 0, will get up into here 9, because answer of 0 like this dot a ppend append L of I j. Here I not mentioned it correctly. I will change that as I plus j because I want to derive the logic here. Okay, 9. Then after that it will like the value get increased. What is this value? This is like the index. Let's see the index of 4. I mean this 4. Okay, I minus j here I think. Okay, this index is the 4 index is like 0 comma 1, right? Then the 3, this index is like 1 comma 2. Let's try to figure it out any there is any relation to this. Yeah, because I minus j or I minus j is like 1, right? I minus j is 1, but it is minus 1 because 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So we just add something here like a row which is will be higher, I think, or column, or let me check for others also. This the 5, the 5 index is like 1 0 comma 2, which is like minus 2, and the last one 7 index is like 1 2 3 2 0 comma 7. The last element index is like 0, so row 0 1 2 2 comma 0. It is not going to affect anyway because after this, like after this 9 5 and 5, the index I will be greater. Okay, that is not going to affect us, but here it is going to affect us because the number of columns here. Okay, here 5. Okay, I think here column is enough, I think. What will happen here? I think that is fine. Let's try to decode it. I minus j, like first initially that will be 0, 0 plus the column 5. That is 5, like this is like 0, I think. Then this is 0 comma 1 1 1 2 3 4 5, 0 comma 4, right? 0 comma 4, that is 0 minus 4. Okay, c minus 1 is column minus 1, that is also 4. So it is like 0th index. The index value of I is r plus c, no? Okay. The logic here is I minus j plus c minus 1. If you apply this for this 57, it's like 0 minus 4 plus 5 minus 1, which is something with 0. Okay, so that this index will be appended at the answer of 0 in the list. Then this 71, the 71 and 56 will be like same. 71th index is 0 comma 3, 0 minus 3 plus 5 minus 1, that is 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1. Same like 1 minus, because this 56 index is 1, the column is 4, right? Plus 5 minus 1. What it is like? It is like 0, right? No, it should not be like 0, no. It is also 1, right? Because this 1 minus 1. Okay. Then this 5 minus 4 is 1. Same like that, right? Because this 0 minus 3 also going to give me minus 3. This 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4 is also going to give minus 3. Like that, this 1 1, the answer index will be appended at the same right here. If you don't know, means just I tell you to trace it back, because when you trace, it will be more helpful for you to understand. For in range, I will just print the output for you. R plus c minus 1, yeah, and 3 hands of I. Let's see, let's check this. Is this right or no? Like, guys, there is a new pattern to like, okay, the output is right. to print like the diagonals from top left to bottom right. You can't see like, so in so many places this kind of logics, this will be like in coders area only you can find this kind of logic. I also found it in the one of the Skillrack solutions only. I just got seen this kind of solution and I just didn't understand that at the time. After that, I sat and traced back this code using a pen and paper, and I got to know that okay, this kind of logic is too good literally, because you have to go for like from this five, then this you have to come from this five, you have to go like bottom, from this four you have to go bottom, then from this nine you have to go like I minus j minus one. Then after this, you have to come through this column like straight. First, you have to go to the zeroth row, then you have to come like through zeroth column in another for loop. From there, you have to come like I minus j minus 1. Then, like that only is what working. But this kind of logic is like easily you can solve all those logic within one iteration. So just don't look at the solution and just copy this up, copy the solution, copy this code. Just go through the other solutions. Like you can go and view the previously challenge, not the challenge but the solutions of at least 30 to 40 people's code you can view. Just go and check those codes, it will be very helpful. You can understand a new logic sometimes like this. So I hope this is good to go. Anything is happened, any runtime error? No. Okay, it's fine. See you in the